Hello and welcome to Mangley Town. You join me for another unboxing today. This is a slightly older Hornby HST set, but I hope to take you through all of my collection in case it's something you're looking for, so you can see what you get in the box and what the liveries look like. So we'll start with this one. It's the Midland Mainline and it's Hornby R2376a, and obviously we've got the power car, dummy car and two coaches. Luckily this one's still got the service sheet with it as well. I know I've got one issue with this one, is that one of the coaches, that one there, is actually the incorrect coach. It's still a first class I believe, but it's the one which should be separate as R4214, but they obviously packed the wrong one away when they sold it or had to replace the other one, so I'm having to make do with that at the time being. I'll decide if I'm just going to get the number changed to the one that should be in there and buy another R4214 separate, or just keep it as it is. But we'll start with going through these. So yeah, this is the Midland Mainline livery, and this is 43196, which is the power car. I'm lucky that most of the ones I've found mainly on eBay have been in pretty damn good condition, and obviously over the years you got the different varying headlights on them as well, but for an older model they're still detailed enough, and I do like collecting all the liveries. So that's the power car. Dummy car obviously isn't going to be too dissimilar, and that's 43197. And then we go on to the coaches. So the incorrect one, what should be first class. And again, nice to see it's got clear windows and the seats inside as well. I know some of the more modern, cheaper train set packs, they save a bit of money and black out the windows and don't put anything inside. And then that should be the second class. So if that's something you're looking for, I hope this quickie is going to help. And I do think that is a nice livery itself anyway. It's got a nice bit of detail on it. And at some stage I'll do a proper meet the fleet on these as well, when I've collected all the coaches together, so I can hopefully show you each of my HSTs in a full car rake. Thank you.